All right, so real quick, I'll show you how to do brows. See, I started with a clear face. I've already cleaned my face with some Sephora wipes. First, I'm gonna show you all the stuff you're gonna need for your brows, at least these brows for today. 12. I don't think we see. The real small bit says 12, so that's the size of the brush. Okay. I've also got, this is just a drugstore, another same brush, just a drugstore one, super cheap. But I usually like to have two because one for foundation, one for concealer. My pencil's all gone, but this is a dollar store pencil. LA color, it's a eyebrow liner slash eyebrow pencil. And this is in black brown. I never go all black because it's too dark. I never do just brown because it's too light for me, but you pick your color, just a pencil. Concealer, Sephora, I was telling you about. It's a gel serum. It's called Bright Future Gel Serum, and I use the color ganache, but if you go, they'll match it to your skin color. Also my foundation is called Born This Way. It's real good. I like it. It's by Too Faced. It's a brand name, but it looks so natural. People, it's real smooth. And I use, this is my setting spray too. It's the last one. It's a primer set refresher spray. So it's all 3 in 1. I use clean my face real good, and then you spray this on before you put your makeup. It helps your makeup absorb and go on nice and thin. You can also use it after your makeup to set it. It's also refresher through the day, like just random fresher. So anyway, let's do it real quick. So first, I'm gonna spray my whole face. Should do this too first. I'm gonna try it. First, you want to go in one of your brushes. Sorry, I get my mirror out on my palette. I have to see. Anyway, so first you want to. This one, right? Hold on. Sorry. Okay. So first, what you want to do is take your spoolie end and just brush your hairs up and out. Up and out. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a second. Like I said, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. It's quick, okay? Take your brow pencil. Like I said, you're literally tracing your natural brow line. Okay. So, just put my pencil and start just a little bit in front of it, you know, to create a silhouette. I'm just gonna go. I'm just follow my natural line again. See that? Just my natural line. Underneath. Clean it up. You know what I usually do? Because I haven't got my eyebrows waxed or clipped or nothing in a very long time, and my hairs are long. If you don't have to worry about it, I usually brush mine down to the top just to get them out of the way, because you're going to still see your brow line, whether it's here in the way or not. So I usually move it out my way so I can kind of, you know, go above it. That's it, right? And then you want to do the same thing. Same amount in front, you want to trace to the top. Going the same way. Following your brow line. I'm telling you, you can just see it coming in, see? Okay. You follow your arch straight down. And you want it to meet that one from the bottom. Like that. Don't look like much, but we getting somewhere. Okay. Then you want to kind of go in and fill it in. Darker in the back, lighter in the front, because you want the brow to fade in. To that natural look. So you should go back in and just trace over again. Just to clean it up. Darken it up in here. See that? And then, it's your spoolie, too. You take your spoolie in. It kind of blends your color in. That also helps it fade to the front, too. See that? Just bring it in across. And here it kind of blends into it, too. And you want to go in there. See? Pretty much your eyebrow. Okay, you want the same thing on the other side. And you kind of want to take your pencil, you do a straight line and go across. That's how you'll get it even. Kind of straight and go across, kind of. Don't worry, it's going to cover up with concealer. This is just to help you like a guide. Straight across, kind of thing, bro. And the same thing, you want to follow that line. Up and straight across to your brow line. You see how I have nothing left? You have to do all that every time. Nothing. So, even if you don't have the light, it's always how you build. So, do the same thing, follow it down and out. See that? Okay. You want the same thing like I said on the other side. Take your spoolie in, push your hairs down. You want to do the same thing across the top. Take your line across. And go up and out, same way. Follow your brow line. I always say brows can be more like
They say, you know, they should be twins, but they should be sisters sometimes because my eyebrows are weird. One of my arches is a little bit sharper than the other one. This one's sharper. So this one's always easy. Boom, it's there. This one I got to kind of build because, like I said, I don't have hair right here. So some days I'm super perfect with it, and some days it's like, it's going to work. So.
I think it starts wide, which I do sometimes make it easier when I go to shape it, so it's not too skinny, you know, I start wide and I shape myself, so that's fine. Super anal about my brows though, so I gotta make them perfect. So everybody see your brows, this is the first thing they see on your face, so to me, I'm super trying to do them as perfect as I can. So I see them, look at them a lot just to, okay, I honestly think, yeah, something good here.
We're going to have us some good brows today.
Squeeze it in, blend out. I'm going to pull yours to the front and back. I'm thinking, do not mind me please, because this is my jam, so just go past that, okay? Next thing, concealer. Looks like a brush on the end. This is a brand new one, so I'm just gonna work that. Okay, so it looks like.
And I love this concealer.
The bottom. Okay, so you want to take... I was just trying to see if it's one brush. Oh, that was a sharper one from under.
So you want to take your brush, my Anastasia brush I'm using, the angle brush, and you want to just dab some of that product onto your brush. Not too much. So once you mess up, it's over. I tell people the concealer is like the edge up to the eyebrow, like with the hair, with the haircut, same thing. Okay. Now, what I usually do, because like I just said, if you use too much product and it dips into your eyebrow, you screwed and you got to start over. So what I usually do is I take my brush just to make sure I don't have too much, and I'll dab a little bit underneath where I'm going just to get any excess off. So what you're doing now, you're literally taking that same, that same trace line, and you're tracing it with the concealer, same way, okay? So.
Until you get real good with this, take a slow, steady hand, okay? Take your time. And you just want to pull. Let the brush do all the work for you, just slide your hand so easy. Don't force the line or nothing sometimes. Sorry, I'm so quiet in my brows. This is serious. Okay, and then you just want to...
Shape the top, but you see how just putting that concealer under gives you that sharp look, okay? And then you want to pull your concealer down, okay?
I usually do both sides of the bottom first because you get to keep it even on the bottom. Top of my brows, I usually do when I'm done with all my eyeshadow, but since I'm just showing you brows today, I'm going to do my top too, and then do my shadow in another video. Bless you. Watch out, Mom. On a video. I'm going to close them. Again, I can talk about it this time, so I'm going to dab it. Excuse the naked baby in the background. Okay, so I'm going to definitely dab it here because I know I have too much, but it's fine. I'm going to use that for my shadow later. So, a lot. Okay, same thing goes for brows. Follow your line. Steady your hand, that pinky. Steady it up. That to me personally, this one looks a little thicker, and this one, so I'm going back in. It's just my personal, like I told you, I'm real, about my brows. That's like I start big, and I can always go back in. I'm going in a little at a time because I'm never trying to. To the point I can't go back and fix it, you know. You can always go back in and
You kind of you can blend in through the middle. So take your concealer and do one of those just to kind of see if your brows are lined up. And then brush a little.
actually are superbly even. Look at that. See that? That's why I do. Put a little bit of line across. But I line across because you see how even you become, okay? Even, then you let that fade. Watch what I do to the top.
We going somewhere today. These brows is nice. It's my son's birthday, so guess they for him.
Can you give him some around, please? No, do the bad way and give it to him. I think I'll do that right here just a little bit. Just to clean my eyes. Just to right. Those are some brows, baby. Okay. Now I'm going to take your other brush. Listen, 1 second, okay? Hold on, baby. I'm going to take your other flat brush. And like I said, when people usually do it, you want to lighter concealer to outline your bottom brow because that's what's going to pop your eyeshadow. And if they use a darker concealer up top, because your brow that shouldn't be defined on the top, it should blend on your forehead. But what makes it easier
For me is I use the lighter concealer on the bottom, straight foundation on the top, because that's what you're going to use to blend through anyway. Only thing is foundation's a lot thinner, so you want to use a lot less for the top. It will run into your brows and ruin them. So you want to start with a little, work your way up.
I just squirt a dab. A dab of do this now. A dab. I say a dab, like a dab. Take your brush, another angle brush, beat up one. Take it right into your product. Not a lot, so you're going to swirl it. I do the same thing. I dab higher above because like I said, foundation is thinner. So we'll run, okay?
You want to get that pinky planted because that's what's going to help just steady hand because this is skill, babes.
Alright, so now go above, dab a little bit, extra product off. You go right in the shape. And again, I do a little at a time. And sometimes make sure I get like a really good one. Instead of direct trying to rush your arch, just take your line straight out and you can go back to your arch. So go straight out. Take your line straight out. Like that. Straight out and you can go back and fix your arch. Okay, and that's around it. Straight down. You see that? And you blend that with your brush the same way you did underneath with your concealer. You're going to blend it up and out. But if you're not doing a full face and you're just doing your eyebrows, I do a concealer up top just to blend it out and not highlight foundation.
I'm going to go shape the other side. There you have it. Brows. And again, it's not fully blended out, but that's how I usually shape mine. You can always go thinner, thicker. That's what you like. But yep, it's brows. But I'll send you a picture of my after when I'm done.